Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset network preferences on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your phone, including the network reset features we need to access. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the menu until you find an option labeled System. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. The System section houses all your phone's core settings, including backup options, language preferences, and importantly, reset options that we'll be using today. Inside the System menu, continue scrolling down until you locate Reset Options. Tap on this to open it up. This section is specifically designed for various reset functions, giving you the ability to restore different parts of your phone to their default settings without affecting your personal data. Now you'll see several reset choices available. First, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This option specifically targets your cellular network configurations, including your mobile data settings and carrier preferences. It's particularly useful if you're experiencing issues with your mobile connection or data. After selecting that, you'll see a confirmation screen. Go ahead and tap Reset Settings to confirm the action. This will restore all your mobile network configurations back to their factory defaults, which often resolves connectivity issues you might be experiencing with your cellular service. Once that's complete, go back to the previous Reset Options menu. Now tap on Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This option handles all your wireless connection preferences, including saved Wi-Fi networks and paired Bluetooth devices. Resetting these can help resolve issues with wireless connectivity that you might be facing. You'll get another confirmation prompt here. Simply tap Reset to proceed with resetting your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. This will clear out all your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, giving you a fresh start with your wireless connections. And that's it. You've successfully reset all your network preferences on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, which should help resolve any persistent connectivity issues you were experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.